Hi everybody, I am FJCL and I'll show you how to use a standard filter of Laminas framework, the AllowList filter. Okay, first I will download this component using Composer. Composer requires Laminas/Laminas-filter. Composer is downloading Laminas filter component. Okay, I will clear the screen. I will create a file named AllowList test.php. In this file, I will insert an PHP open tag. I will require Composer autoload file, which is an vendor folder. I will create a variable filter, and I will assign to this variable an object Laminas/filter/AllowList. Inside the constructor, I will insert an array. In this array, I will put a key list. This key is assigned to another array with the allowed values. For example, Fred, Daphne, and Velma. Okay. And I will try to print a value out of this list. For example, Shaggy. Right. Let's just see what happens. I will save this file and I will run this script. Observe, nothing. Why? It's because Shaggy is a value out of the allowed values. But if I replace Shaggy by Daphne, I can rerun the script, and now the value is printed. Then this filter can be used to avoid undesirable values. It's the AllowList filter of the Laminas standard filters. If you have any questions, please let them in comments. And thank you very much for watching this video.